Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S give here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are here. We are breaking down Intence Believe. Intence Believe. That is what we're breaking down. For those who don't know who Intence is one of the hottest Jamaican dancehall artists right now in the biz. As the up and coming artist, the young artist, Intence is one of the hottest names in the streets. So it's only right to react to him. Believe. Let's go react. Let's break down. We are breaking down. We're pausing every 10 seconds. If it's not for you, then I understand. Alright? Let's go, man. So, quick story. Well, couple of months back, I think starting of the year, Intence had a white Benz. I think it was an E class or a C class. Intence unfortunately met into an accident, crashed it. The next week, Intence have a BMW. This is the BMW he's pulling up right now. Intence do it.
Now watch the hype and fame and vanity no stick around now. Couple years and now she wife and you was somebody else born.
Don't watch the fame and the hype and all of them thing there. And the vanity. You see me? Them thing they not gonna stick around for long. You see me? Couple of years from now, she has smarty wife and you are somebody husband. So couple of years from now, everything are gonna change. So don't watch the hype that is surrounding you now. That's how I'm saying. Alright, cool. So it seems like he's talking to somebody, to him little son or whatever. You hear the part again.
Now watch the hype and fame and vanity no stick around now. Couple of years and now she wife and you was somebody else born. Get a grip on yourself, you're not getting younger.
So but basically tell you, get a grip of yourself. So this start off positive. This is a positive track from Intence. So when him sing the outrageous track, them a lot of people bash him and thing. So I hope them give him the energy when him sing the positive thing, which he is singing the positive thing. Intence, big up yourself. I want to anyway stand up, big up yourself to dog.
Daddy shoulda day a country, you fuck up in gun. Believe now yourself and bury me, tell you start. Give thanks what you have and use the talent what you got. You the body no perfect, everybody a flash.
We all know say no one is perfect. The person don't make it. The person don't born it. You see me? So believe in yourself. Whatever you do, believe in yourself. You are a star. No make nobody put you down. No make nobody tell you nothing different. Seems like he's singing to the little boy in the video. I'm not sure if a theme son or what, but that is who he's singing to. Alright, here we go, bro.
Me go through the worst and still they have to talk. No man them tell you nothing, fight you have to fight for what you want. The amount of flame I go through, roll up my sleeve, you see scar.
The amount of fight when him go through, if him roll up his sleeve, him see scar. That's the way I tell you. So don't make nobody tell you say you can't do it. If him go through it and come out as a star, you can do it too. Just believe, dog. Yeah.
To them relate to every sword that start on me on. No make your meds low for iPhone and all of it on.
Listen to the party again. Young people, listen to the party again.
To them relate to every sword that start on me on.
Him saying tattoo them relate to every sword was stuck in him heart. So each tattoo him up on him body is a sign of somebody who's stabbing him back. Alright, then a party now.
No make your meds low for iPhone and all of it on. Every day we elevate your every day.
Don't make your meds go low for the iPhone or Louis Vuitton. Do not make your meds go low. Basically know your worth. Know what your worth is. That's what I'm about to tell you, yeah.
Some germs they used to fuck me, now I meditate. All about the money, buy out couple of estate. Make a chase to who make it out, celebrate.
Couple bitches, couple germs, a woman him call germs. Unfortunately. Couple germs where him did a sleep with. Right now him not meditate. Right now him a pre some real estate, houses, businesses, money. That's how him a pre right now. Alright.
Now watch the hype and fame and vanity no stick around now. Couple years and now she wife and you was somebody else born. Get a grip on yourself, you're not getting younger. Your daddy shoulda day a country, you fuck up in gun.
So basically, you must say your father should have been here continue. It fuck up or him gone. Him drop out, him dead. Either him dead or he's not around anymore. One of the two of them. So just do it. Be strong and go through. You can do it.
Believe now yourself and bury me, tell you you start. Give thanks what you have and use the talent what you got. You the body no perfect, everybody a flash. Me go through the worst and still they have to talk.
Alright, let's get ready for second verse now, car. First verse positive. Let's get ready for second verse now. Let's go.
Then the line count, so them fight you. The place you know the place to try, fly out. And some little dirty foot and style you.
Him change up him flow now. As some little dirty foot I go style now. Basically, keep strong, be strong. To be fair now, Intence has been through the critiques in a dancer. Them critique him about everything. He's been through it. So for him sing a song like this, it's only right. You understand?
Them diva wanna book, never tickle. Top of the sky and fly them link on a line going. With them no line, Kevin mother and them shine on.
What him say? Them diva own a book much less a title? What confused you? You don't own a book, much less a title. Title to a car, a title to a land, nothing. Title to a house, you don't own nothing. Basically, the man said, listen to me. The only thing you own in life is your birth certificate. That is the only thing you own in your life. That is what Intence said, not me. So stop mind people business and go earn something for yourself. Stop watch people business and go earn something for yourself. That's it.
Dated, antiquated, one size up. Somebody need to call them, telling them time up. Now watch the
Outdated, antiquated, one size up. Somebody needs to call them and tell them time up. So, it might throw shots at somebody. This is obviously somebody at the business. I think I know who it is, but I'm not going to call a name. I'm not here for that.
And feel my vanity no stick around now. Couple years I know your wife and you a 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Get a grip on yourself, you're not getting younger. Your daddy should have day, I counsel you, fuck up in gun.
I'm glad he's not a one-hit wonder because a lot of people did think he's a one-hit wonder and him not last long. I'm glad though he might do it and he might continue to shame them. Like me said earlier on, if you like him or you don't like him, he's here to stay. He's here to stay.
Believe now yourself from birth, me tell you your start. Give thanks what you have and use the talent what you got. You the body the perfect, everybody a flash. Me go through the worst and still they have to talk.
Intence style different. Earlier on, I done a reaction where me tell you say, like certain artists in the world, you can hear them distinctive sound. Intence have one of them voice there. You can hear it no matter where you're there. You know that it's Intence I sing.
Then the line count, so them fight you. The place you know the place to try, fly out. And some little dirty foot and style you. Them diva wanna book, never tickle.
Look at that foot. Yo, Intence, yo, that boy is man.
Top of the sky and fly them link on a line going. With them no line, Kevin mother and them shine on. Dated, antiquated, one size up.
Them I say, we them not like. Every mother and them child know. So basically everybody know that. Say, them not like we, which is true. Them not like him.
Somebody need to call them, telling them time up. Now watch the hype and fame and vanity no stick around now. Couple years I know your wife and you a 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Get a grip on yourself, you're not getting younger. Your daddy should have day, I counsel you, fuck up in gun.
Can somebody leave it in the comment section? Is this him son? Or is just a little boy in the video where act like, you know? Is this him son? I don't think so, but somebody leave in the comment section for me, please.
Believe now yourself from birth, me tell you your start. Give thanks what you have and use the talent what you got. You the body the perfect, everybody a flash. Me go through the worst and still they have to talk.
Yeah, him strong today, no? Him strong. If we go through some of them beating there, you know, them beat him, you know? Them beat him, say, not physically, verbally, them beat him, you know? But him strong. Every time them say something bad, him going to the studio and record something, I'll come shame them. The dance and music not nice, you know? It's nice, but it's not nice, yeah? The industry is not nice. Boss I do him thing. Boss I roll out in them big fat beds. I'm big fat bimmer. I do him thing, yes man. Zimmy Entertainment, make up yourself. Solid song, positive message from Intence. Like me say, when him go out with him fuck with them in him song, people beat him. So I hope them same people they give him the energy for the message that is in this song. You understand? Intence, make up yourself, my G. I want to make up myself, the whole young Jenna Jet Life, big up on yourself. You see me? Cause That is the side when rep for. You don't know the thing go. Guys, if you like the video, if you like the song, please leave a like on the video, on this video. The full song will be in the description below. I understand. Subscribe around here if you're new, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Alright? Peace.